Founded in 2001, China WELONG is a professional international integrated supply chain service provider. We are concentrating on the oilfield products and customized products, aiming at empowering the world with the finest supply chain of China. Since the establishment, we provide our customers with solutions, products as well as services. Strict quality control enables us to win good name with endurable products. Our customers spread over the world as US, UK, Germany, Romania, Italy, Netherlands, UAE, Australia, Argentina, Brazil, South Africa, Algeria, Congo, Venezuela, etc. Our products include BHA Drilling Tools, Borehole Enlargement, Impact Tools, Wellhead, Handling Tools, other service tools. Certified by ISO 9001-2015, API 7-1. We are always working diligently to be the leader of international supply chain, boosting the China intelligent manufacturing, leading the world.